Welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of prompt engineering, a term that's become increasingly popular with the rise of AI tools like ChatGPT and other large language models. But what exactly does prompt engineering mean, and is it still a viable career path? In this video, we'll break down the concept, explore its evolution, and discuss whether prompt engineering remains a distinct job or if it's transforming into something new. Let's start by understanding what prompt engineering actually is and why it became so important in the first place. Prompt engineering is the art and science of crafting effective inputs, called prompts, for AI models, especially large language models. The goal is to get the AI to generate useful, accurate, or creative outputs. This involves understanding how the model interprets language, experimenting with different phrasings, and sometimes using specific structures or instructions to guide the AI's responses. Prompt engineering emerged as a key skill because early AI models were highly sensitive to the way questions or tasks were phrased, making the difference between a helpful answer and a confusing one. The importance of prompt engineering lies in its ability to unlock the full potential of AI models. Well-crafted prompts can help users get more accurate, relevant, and creative results from AI systems. For businesses, this means better automation, improved customer service, and more efficient workflows. For individuals, it can mean faster research, more engaging content, or even just more fun interactions with AI. As AI tools became more accessible, the demand for people who could expertly communicate with these systems grew rapidly. Prompt engineering rose to prominence alongside the explosion of generative AI tools. As organizations and individuals began experimenting with AI, they quickly realized that the quality of the output depended heavily on the quality of the input. This led to a surge in demand for prompt engineers, people who could design, test, and refine prompts to achieve specific goals. Companies started hiring prompt engineers to optimize chatbots, automate content creation, and even train AI models for specialized tasks. A prompt engineer's job involves much more than just typing questions into a chatbot. They analyze how AI models interpret language, experiment with different prompt structures, and iterate on their designs to improve results. They might work closely with developers, data scientists, and product managers to integrate AI into products or services. Their work can include creating prompt libraries, documenting best practices, and training others to use AI tools effectively. Prompt engineers need a unique blend of skills. They must have a strong understanding of language and communication, as well as technical knowledge about how AI models work. Creativity is essential, since crafting effective prompts often requires thinking outside the box. Analytical skills help prompt engineers evaluate the quality of AI outputs and refine their approaches. Familiarity with programming or data analysis can also be a big plus, especially when working with more advanced AI systems. In practice, prompt engineering can look very different depending on the context. For example, a prompt engineer working on a customer service chatbot might focus on making the AI more empathetic and accurate. Someone working in content creation might design prompts that help generate engaging articles or scripts. In research, prompt engineers might experiment with prompts to test the limits of AI capabilities or to uncover biases in the model's responses. Let's look at a few real-world examples. In marketing, prompt engineers might design prompts that help AI generate catchy slogans or product descriptions. In education, they might create prompts that guide AI to explain complex topics in simple terms. In software development, prompt engineers can help automate code generation or debugging by crafting precise instructions for the AI. These examples show just how versatile prompt engineering can be across different industries. As AI models have evolved, so has the role of prompt engineering. Early models required very specific and carefully crafted prompts to produce good results. But as AI systems have become more sophisticated, they're better at understanding natural language and context. This means that while prompt engineering is still important, the skill set is shifting. Prompt engineers now focus more on optimizing and fine-tuning prompts for advanced use cases, rather than just basic communication. Prompt engineering is different from traditional programming. Instead of writing code, prompt engineers use natural language to instruct AI models. This makes the field more accessible to people without a formal programming background. However, as AI tools become more integrated into software products, the line between prompt engineering and programming is starting to blur. Some prompt engineers are now learning to code, while some programmers are learning prompt engineering techniques. There are now many tools designed to help prompt engineers do their jobs more effectively. These include prompt testing platforms, AI playgrounds, and collaborative workspaces where teams can share and refine prompts. Some tools even offer analytics to measure the effectiveness of different prompts, helping engineers iterate and improve their designs. As the field matures, these tools are becoming more sophisticated and user-friendly. Effective prompt engineering relies on a set of best practices. These include being clear and specific, testing multiple variations, and documenting what works and what doesn't. Prompt engineers often create libraries of successful prompts for different tasks, making it easier to reuse and adapt them in the future. Staying up to date with the latest AI model updates and community insights is also crucial for ongoing success. Prompt engineering isn't without its challenges. AI models can be unpredictable, and small changes in wording can lead to very different results. There's also the risk of introducing bias or unintended consequences through poorly designed prompts. Prompt engineers must constantly test and refine their work, staying vigilant for unexpected behaviors or errors. This makes the job both exciting and demanding. Ethical considerations are a big part of prompt engineering. Prompt engineers must be aware of how their prompts might influence the AI's responses, especially in sensitive areas like healthcare, finance, or social issues. It's important to avoid prompts that could produce harmful, biased, or misleading outputs. Many organizations now have guidelines and review processes to ensure ethical prompt engineering practices. Businesses are leveraging prompt engineering to gain a competitive edge. By optimizing how AI tools are used, companies can improve customer service, automate repetitive tasks, and generate new ideas faster. Prompt engineers often work closely with business leaders to align AI outputs with organizational goals. This collaboration ensures that AI is used effectively and responsibly within the company. In education, prompt engineering is helping teachers and students make the most of AI tools. Teachers can design prompts that encourage critical thinking or help students explore new topics. Students can use prompt engineering techniques to get better explanations or practice problem solving. As AI becomes more common in classrooms, prompt engineering is becoming a valuable skill for both educators and learners. Creative professionals are using prompt engineering to push the boundaries of art, writing, and design. By crafting unique prompts, artists and writers can collaborate with AI to generate new ideas, explore different styles, or even co-create entire projects. This fusion of human creativity and AI capability is opening up exciting possibilities in fields like advertising, entertainment, and digital art. Researchers are using prompt engineering to explore the capabilities and limitations of AI models. By designing targeted prompts, they can test how AI responds to complex questions, identify biases, or evaluate the model's reasoning abilities. This research helps improve AI systems and informs the development of new models. Prompt engineering is thus a key tool in advancing the field of artificial intelligence. In software development, prompt engineering is being used to automate coding tasks, generate documentation, and even assist with debugging. Developers can use AI models to write code snippets, suggest improvements, or explain complex functions. Prompt engineers help design the instructions that guide these AI tools, making them more useful and reliable for programmers. Customer service is another area where prompt engineering is making a big impact. AI chatbots and virtual assistants rely on well-designed prompts to understand customer needs and provide accurate answers. Prompt engineers work to ensure that these systems are friendly, helpful, and able to handle a wide range of queries. This improves the customer experience and reduces the workload for human agents. In healthcare, Prompt engineering is helping AI systems provide better support for doctors, nurses, and patients. Well-crafted prompts can guide AI to summarize medical records, suggest possible diagnoses, or answer patient questions. Prompt engineers must be especially careful in this field to ensure accuracy, privacy, and ethical use of AI. The potential benefits are huge, but so are the responsibilities. The finance industry is also adopting prompt engineering to enhance AI-driven analysis, customer support, and fraud detection. Prompt engineers design instructions that help AI models interpret financial data, answer client questions, or flag suspicious transactions. As with healthcare, accuracy and security are top priorities, making prompt engineering a critical role in financial organizations. E-commerce companies use prompt engineering to improve product recommendations, automate customer interactions, and generate marketing content. By designing effective prompts, engineers help AI systems understand customer preferences and deliver personalized experiences. This not only boosts sales, but also enhances customer satisfaction and loyalty. Legal professionals are beginning to use prompt engineering to help AI systems analyze documents, summarize cases, and draft legal briefs. Prompt engineers design instructions that guide AI to focus on relevant details and avoid errors. This can save lawyers significant time and help ensure more accurate legal research and documentation. Media organizations are using prompt engineering to automate news writing, generate headlines, and even create video scripts. Prompt engineers help AI models understand journalistic standards and audience preferences. This allows media companies to produce content faster while maintaining quality and relevance. In marketing, prompt engineering is used to create engaging ad copy, social media posts, and campaign strategies. Prompt engineers experiment with different phrasings and tones to match brand voice and connect with target audiences. This creative process helps brands stand out and adapt quickly to changing trends. Entertainment companies are exploring prompt engineering to develop interactive stories, games, and virtual experiences. Prompt engineers design scenarios that guide AI to create immersive and dynamic content. This approach is transforming how audiences engage with entertainment, making experiences more personalized and interactive. Human resources departments are using prompt engineering to streamline recruitment, onboarding, and employee support. AI tools can help screen resumes, answer HR questions, and provide training resources. Prompt engineers ensure these systems are fair, unbiased, and effective at meeting organizational needs. Logistics companies are adopting prompt engineering to optimize supply chains, track shipments, and predict demand. Prompt engineers design instructions that help AI models analyze data and recommend efficient solutions. This leads to faster deliveries, reduced costs, and improved customer satisfaction. Scientists are using prompt engineering to accelerate research, analyze data, and generate hypotheses. By crafting precise prompts, they can guide AI to interpret complex datasets or suggest new experiments. This collaboration between human expertise and AI power is speeding up scientific discovery in many fields. Government agencies are exploring prompt engineering to improve public services, automate paperwork, and analyze policy impacts. Prompt engineers help design AI systems that can answer citizen questions, process forms, or evaluate the effects of new regulations. This can make government more efficient and responsive to public needs. Nonprofit organizations are using prompt engineering to enhance fundraising, outreach, and program management. AI tools can help write grant proposals, communicate with donors, or analyze program data. Prompt engineers ensure these tools are tailored to the unique needs and values of nonprofit work. Individuals are using prompt engineering to boost their own productivity. By designing effective prompts, people can use AI to organize schedules, summarize emails, or brainstorm ideas. Prompt engineering skills help users get more value from AI tools in their daily lives, making tasks quicker and easier. Language learners are using prompt engineering to practice conversation, get grammar explanations, and expand vocabulary. By crafting specific prompts, learners can guide AI to act as a tutor, conversation partner, or quizmaster. This personalized approach makes language learning more engaging and effective. Prompt engineering is helping make technology more accessible. AI tools can be prompted to generate audio descriptions, translate text, or simplify complex information for people with disabilities. Prompt engineers play a key role in designing these solutions, ensuring that technology is inclusive and helpful for everyone. AI safety is a growing concern, and prompt engineering plays a role in minimizing risks. By designing prompts that avoid triggering harmful or dangerous outputs, engineers help ensure that AI systems are safe to use. This is especially important in high-stakes environments like healthcare, finance, or public safety. Addressing bias in AI is a major challenge, and prompt engineering is part of the solution. Engineers must be aware of how prompts can influence AI outputs and work to minimize bias. This involves testing prompts with diverse inputs and monitoring for unintended consequences. Responsible prompt engineering helps make AI fairer and more trustworthy. As AI becomes more widespread, governments and organizations are developing regulations to ensure responsible use. Prompt engineers must stay informed about these rules and adapt their practices accordingly. This includes following guidelines for privacy, transparency, and accountability in AI systems. Prompt engineering is increasingly a collaborative effort. Teams of engineers, designers, and subject matter experts work together to create effective prompts. This teamwork ensures that AI systems are aligned with user needs and organizational goals. Collaboration also helps share knowledge and improve prompt engineering practices across industries. The rise of prompt engineering is changing the future of work. As AI tools become more common, prompt engineering skills are becoming valuable in many professions. Some experts predict that prompt engineering will become a core competency, much like digital literacy or data analysis. This shift is creating new opportunities for people from diverse backgrounds to contribute to the AI revolution. So is prompt engineering still a real job? The answer is yes, but it's evolving. As AI models become more advanced, the role of prompt engineers is shifting from basic prompt writing to more strategic, creative, and technical tasks. Prompt engineering is becoming integrated into many other roles, from product management to software development. While the job title may change, the underlying skills remain in high demand. Looking ahead, prompt engineering is likely to become even more important as AI systems continue to advance. The field will require ongoing learning, adaptability, and collaboration. Prompt engineers will play a key role in shaping how AI is used across industries, ensuring that these powerful tools are effective, ethical, and aligned with human values. Even if the job title, prompt engineer, becomes less common, the skills involved will remain valuable. Many professionals will need to understand how to communicate effectively with AI, design prompts for specific tasks, and evaluate AI outputs. These abilities will be essential for anyone working with AI-powered tools, regardless of their industry or role. If you're interested in prompt engineering, start by experimenting with AI tools and learning how different prompts affect the results. Read up on best practices, join online communities, and practice designing prompts for various tasks. Building a portfolio of successful prompts can help you stand out, whether you're looking for a job or just want to improve your own productivity. In conclusion, prompt engineering is both a job and a skill set that's here to stay. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the ability to communicate effectively with these systems will be crucial. Whether as a dedicated role or as part of a broader job description, prompt engineering will continue to shape the way we interact with technology. Thanks for joining us on this exploration of prompt engineering and its evolving place in the world of work.